The politics of the Islamic Republic of Afghanistan consists of the cabinet of ministers, provincial governors and the National Assembly, with the president serving as the head of state, head of government and commander-in-chief of the Afghan Armed Forces. The nation was formerly led by President Ashraf Ghani, who was backed by two vice presidents, Amrullah Saleh and Sarwar Danish, until Ghani fled the country to Tajikistan in August of 2021 due to the Taliban reaching the capital Kabul. In the last decade, the politics of Afghanistan have been influenced by NATO countries, particularly the United States, in an effort to stabilize and democratize the country. In 2004, the nation's new constitution was adopted and an executive president was elected. The following year, a general election to choose parliamentarians took place. Hamid Karzai was declared the first ever democratically elected head of state in Afghanistan in 2004, winning a second five-year term in 2009. The National Assembly was Afghanistan's national legislature. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.